Nobody tells you this when you start YouTube, but I wish someone told me earlier. It would have saved me a lot of frustration, confusion, and wasted effort. You see people growing, getting views, and hitting thousands of subscribers. And it looks simple from the outside, but what you don't see is exactly what happens in the beginning. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly that. Not motivation, no theory, the real truth. Hey guys, welcome back to Doozy Growth. If you're new here, this space is about growing on YouTube and social media from scratch, step by step, real journey and not hype. And today I want to talk about something very important, the things nobody tells you about starting YouTube. Because if you're just starting or you are stuck under 100 subscribers, there are things that can either break your motivation or help you grow faster. When I first started YouTube, I had a very different expectation. I thought I'll post a video and people will show up. And that's not how it works. The reality is that at the beginning, almost nobody is watching you, and that can feel discouraging. You put effort into a video, you upload it, and you see 3 views, 10 views, and you start asking yourself, am I doing something wrong? But the truth is, that's normal. Here's something nobody tells the beginners. The beginning of YouTube is quiet, very quiet. You are creating content, you are improving on your skills, you are learning the platform, but the audience still not there. And most people mistake this quiet moment for failure. It's not failure, it's foundation building. You don't grow in public fast, you improve in private, and growth follows. This one surprised me a lot. Everyone says, just be consistent. I'm still not growing, and I couldn't understand why. But this is what I learned. Consistency alone is not enough. Direction matters too. You can post 50 videos, but if you don't connect with a clear audience or solve a clear problem, growth stays slow. I remember one point where I felt stuck. I was uploading videos, but nothing was happening. And then I started thinking, maybe YouTube is not just for me. But instead of quitting, I decided to study what I was doing. And I realized something important. I was creating content without focus, without audience, without clear audience, without clear message. I was just uploading and hoping. But hope is not a strategy. So what actually changed things for me? I started simplifying everything. Number one, I focused on one audience. The beginners, people starting from zero, and people trying to grow. Number two, I focused on one problem per video. Instead of trying to cover everything, I started solving one clear problem. I stopped trying to impress and I started trying to help. That shift changed how I speak, how I plan, and how I create. And slowly, things started to make sense. Here is the biggest thing nobody tells you about starting YouTube. You are not competing with big YouTubers, you're competing with quitting. Most beginners don't fail because they are bad at content creation. They fail because they expect fast result, they get discouraged early, and they stop too soon. And YouTube rewards those who stay in the game long enough to improve. If you are starting now, here's the mindset I want you to have. Don't ask, why am I not growing yet? Instead, ask, what can I improve in my next video? Because on YouTube, it's not about one big moment. It's small improvements repeated over time. And I know some of you watching this right now might be feeling like your videos are not good enough, like nobody's noticing your efforts, like maybe this is not working. But let me be honest with you. Every YouTuber you admire started there. Nobody starts with momentum. You build it. Let me ask you something real quick. How many subscribers do you currently have? Be honest. 0, under 50, or under 100? And also, what's your biggest struggle on YouTube right now? Is it ideas, views, or consistency? Kindly drop them on the comments. I actually read them and I might also I might create content based on your answers. If you're serious about growing on YouTube and you want real, honest content about what happens in the beginning, then make sure you subscribe to Doozy Growth. I'm living it real time. Nobody tells you this when you start YouTube. It's not smooth, it's definitely not predictable, but it's possible. And if you stay consistent, keep learning, and keep improving, you will grow step by step, video by video, and subscriber by subscriber.